Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Helen. So today I decided to create a new video with a twist on my previous vellum sconces. As you can see here, this time you're going to also need 2 tea light holders from the Dollar Tree. And if you remember with my previous video, I used this vellum paper, but I did use the gold one, as you can see here. But today we're going to use the white one, and I'm going to cut them in 2 strips as I did in my previous video. And I went ahead and I decided to go apply the gemstones and create a crease as well. Now for the bottom base piece that's going to hold the stem to this, I suggest that you apply this before you apply your paper and your acrylic gems. For the base, you're going to use these outlet plug covers that you see here. I went ahead and cut them down, and you're going to need 2 pieces. So if you look closely, this is the way you want to apply them. So here we have the prongs, or what I call the teeth, and they're going to be facing up in between one of the bottom metal parts of the tea light holder. You're also going to need this 2-piece salad server set, large fork and spoon. I already went and got started on this spoon. I'm cutting the fork down, and you want to create a crease there, or you want to score it, and then you just want to snap it, and it usually works. And this is what it's supposed to be looking like. So now if you're holding the handle of this fork with the widest part facing you, you want to apply that outlet cover on its side, just the way you see here. So you want to go ahead and apply some E6000, and you want to follow that with some hot glue, and you want to let this dry overnight once you put it together. So again, you are going to apply the E6000, and you want to apply the hot glue, and then you want to glue that cover on top on its side, like you see here on the widest part of the handle of the spoon facing you, if that makes sense, just the way you see here. So now you want to go ahead and make sure you press down, always making sure that top piece is leveled as you glue it down. I suggest you apply some more glue around it and in between that gap that it has there, and you're going to cover that with some rhinestone, with some bling wrap. As you can see, I'm going around it, and I'm going to go around it twice, but as I do that, I'm going to continue to press down on that outlet plug-in cover. Make sure that it's leveled the whole time, just like that. So I went ahead and I applied my bling wrap there, and there. Okay. As you can see, that base, I've already applied the E6000 and the hot glue and let that dry overnight, and I glue both pieces together. And then following that, I apply some thin wire just to secure it even more. As you can see, it doesn't look the prettiest, so if you want, you can even spray paint that part beforehand black, and apply even more bling wrap around it just to kind of hide where that shows. But yeah, I did apply some thin wire. So now I'm going to apply my second half of my paper. I created that crease in the middle. I'm applying the tape on the inside and connecting both pieces. Thank you for all the suggestions on my previous video as to how I apply this paper. I know a lot of you suggested that I go ahead and asking why I didn't apply it on the outside, but I do really want the black of the tea light holder to show. So this is why I continue to apply it on the inside. Another viewer did suggest maybe using Mod Podge, but unfortunately I saw that message after I had created this video, but I will definitely try that again if I decide to do this next time, and just keep the suggestions coming, because I'm still trying to find a way to do this. But again, I'm applying the tape on the inside, and I'm going to loop it through underneath, just the way I did the previous video. If you haven't seen my previous video, please check it out. I will link it down below for you guys. Yeah, so this is what the end result looks like. I applied these acrylic gemstones there. They do come in a long string of 16 feet long. I got these in Amazon. I will link that below for you guys. And the little teardrop acrylic gem, I did get those at Joann's. So yeah, I looped it through on the metal part of the tea light holder and on all 4 sides, and this is what it looks like. I think it turned out really beautiful in the end. If you have any ideas as to how I can better apply that handle to the tea light holder, the spoon and fork handle, please let me know. I'm open to suggestions. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up, and I thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.